Hi, so this is one of the teaching tools that I've used from ICT Games, and it's actually been a valuable resource for my students to use at home when they don't have rods and cubes and flats of their own, or if they've just forgotten them because they're working someplace else. So let's say students were working through the problem 32 minus 17. So as at a class meeting, I might show here's 32. Now we have to subtract 17. I'd ask a student how to go through this. They might say to take away one of the 10s. And now we have to take away 7 cubes. They would already know that there is a split feature. So there we go. We can take away 7 of the 1's units. And we get the answer, which is 15. It's a great visual for regrouping. I'm just going to restart that. Hi, so here's a teacher. Hi, so this is a teaching tool from ICT Games that I use all of the time. It's a great way to model both place value and regrouping. Let's say we were working through the problem 32 minus 17. I could show 32. To subtract the 17, we'd take away a 10. Oh, what are we going to do? We have to subtract 7 1's. We don't have them. Well, there's this great split feature, which is a great visual for what you're doing when you are regrouping. After they've seen this tool modeled a few times, this is a great tool for students to have to use at home. A lot of times students don't have rods, cubes, and flats, and the paper ones that they print out from the program are just not great. So a lot of my students have really enjoyed using this to support their math work.